Beautiful skin needs care. Today I wanna make one of the best masks that removes dark spots and acne scars and making your skin smooth and clear. If you use this mask, then you will no longer need any kind of foundation. First of all, pour 3 tablespoons of milk into a container. Now add 3 tablespoons of wheat starch to it. Add some honey to your ingredients and stir them well enough. Use cosmetic pad to wear this mask on your entire face. Rinse it once it dry completely. Until the next tutorial.